Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating variables and confirming baseline settings. First, unplug USB hubs, phones, and unused peripherals to reduce interference. This matters. Next, open sound settings and set your USB or sound card as both default playback and recording device, because inconsistent defaults cause routing issues. Then check sample rate and bit depth. Choose 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and 16-bit or 24-bit to match the app. Mismatches create clicks, pops, and resampling artifacts. Once done, proceed to driver and routing fixes. You now tackle drivers and audio routing because software layers cause most quality issues. Install the latest driver from your audio interface maker, or use a CO4 all when native drivers are absent. Drivers control latency and stability. Then open your DAW or recording app and set buffer size. Start at 256 samples, raise to 512 or 1024 if you hear dropouts. Lower it if latency is the problem. Also select exclusive mode or WASAPI/ACO in apps and disable Windows enhancements to avoid software processing that colors sound. You finish with gain staging, monitoring, and a decisive troubleshooting step. Set input gain so peaks sit near -6 dBFS. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom. Monitor through good headphones at a reference level, then apply corrective EQ or a gentle noise gate only when needed. Overprocessing hides real problems. Finally, if distortion, hum, or dropouts remain, swap in another PC or different audio interface to isolate hardware versus software faults. This single test tells you which component to repair or replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.